Well, hello again, everybody. It's Lauren here with the Pavement Ends channel, and I want to say thanks for joining me again on another little local adventure. Just left of Pavement Ends World Headquarters once again. I'm going to find a dirt road, back road, that shows off some of the local scenery. With all the cross-country traveling I've been doing, these some 50,000 miles I've been driving around, hardly any of it has been local. So I'm anxious to look around and see what there is to offer just in my own backyard. The first thing I'm going to do before we actually start looking for back roads, I'm just going to stop at the local store here and pick up a few supplies. Just something for dinner and maybe for breakfast in the morning. We'll see what they got. And just like that, we're off the pavement and on the gravel roads. Once again, we're on Washington State land, Department of Natural Resources, DNR. Part of the adventure is finding out what's around the next bend. So that's the plan here. See how far we can go. Well, the road got narrower and therefore more interesting. Well, I've been taking a lot of video and pictures, and I haven't been doing much talking, which is probably a relief for most of you. We're heading up kind of on the fringes of this Mount Baker-Snoqualmie National Forest. I'm currently on National Forest Service Road 38. There's a lot of big puddles here, and hoping to find a good place to camp here before too long. So we'll drive up this road a little ways, and then we'll see you in camp. Yeah, I probably could have avoided those puddles, but I wouldn't have enjoyed it as much, and neither would you. Well, I think we've reached the end of the line for this little trip. The snow's getting deeper, and you know, if it was fresh, new, fluffy snow, I could probably make it. But it's that wet, slushy stuff, and it's just, I just can't get much traction. And yeah, I could put chains on, but you know, it's getting dark, and I think I found a little spot back down the road a bit. I'm gonna give it a whirl. This is a cool little spot though. Wish we could go just a little farther. Well, our needs were simple here. Just need a wide spot in the road and a place for a little fire, and we're good to go. I'm not going to spend a lot of time yakking here. I'm going to go get dinner started because I'm hungry. The snow was pretty slushy when I first got here, and now I can tell it's starting to ice over again. Well, it's dinner time and root beer time. Doing a different brand of root beer. They're out of my favorite brand. Yeah, that's okay for what it is. What I've done, undo this. I've chopped up some Italian sausage. It's a weird brand. Some mushrooms, some onions, some yellow pepper. Oh, and I got to do this jalapeno and a tomato. That'll go in. The tomato goes in at the very end. You don't want to overcook that. I was anxious to use my wok, and anyway, it's going to take an hour to get it seasoned properly. So, and I'm starving, so I gotta cook me some dinner. So I'm just going to use the small pan. One of my favorite things is I'll be using this if you can see it, the light, that light right there. Some applewood mesquite smoked extra virgin olive oil. That should impart some delightful flavors. Oh. Well, I seem to have forgotten to bring my fresh garlic. So I'll cheat and use some garlic powder along with my salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. And there's our flame. Our oil's getting hot. I'm just going to dump all this in. This would be great if I had that wok ready. This will work great though. This will work road. There'll be no complaints here. Yay. Turn the heat down. I'm going to put a little water. Steam cook some of that stuff. All right. How's that? All right, time to test it. Yes, that is going to work quite well. Well, I'm going to go sit by the fire and enjoy my dinner. We'll see you guys a little bit later at the fire. Well, it's another peaceful evening by the fire. It's gotten below freezing, at or just below. Everything's just crusting over again, but this fire is nice and warm. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I really appreciate everybody watching these things. I enjoy doing them. I hope you enjoy watching them. So hopefully we'll have another outdoor adventure here before too long. But until then, I'll see you on the back roads.